Hey y'all, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this wig from Wiggins Hair. I'm just overall speechless. I think this is the best wig that I've ever gotten. I have never received a wig like this. This wig already came styled. Yes, the braids and the ponytails came just like this on this wig, and it also came crimped. Not only did it come styled, it already came pre-plucked, it already came pre-bleached. I literally didn't have to do anything but just install this wig. And as y'all can already see, it is so bomb. They also sent me this tape. I've never seen this before either. This is good if you wanted to install a frontal wig like glueless. You could put these on the side tabs so it could just stick to you. Yes, y'all. The wig game is getting crazier and crazier. Really creative, and I'm just so happy to be able to experience. So yeah, I'll be showing y'all how I installed this wig. I did do the glueless method. Let me stop talking. Let's get straight into the video. Thank you, Wiggins Hair, for sending me over this beautiful, ready-to-wear wig, and let's get straight into it. This is literally how the wig came out of the package. This is a 13x4 pre-cut lace in 24 inches. And like I said at the beginning of this video, it's pre-plucked and pre-bleached and ready to wear. This wig came with baby hairs already done, so all you have to do is put your favorite product on them and swoop them back. I just used 2 sticky tabs, but I also used some sprays. I wanted my wig to be really secure. I think since I added some of that foundation on the wig's lace, it wasn't that sticky. But if you're just wanting to use the sticky tabs, make sure that the lace on the wig is clean, because otherwise the tape won't be that strong to hold. I'm just using my wax stick and hot comb to lay down the back of this wig. It was a little hump in there. adding these 2 little clips that they also sent in my package. And that is it to this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed. I am so happy with the outcome. Please don't second guess yourself. You need to buy this wig. It is so convenient and easy to install, and it just looks like I just left from getting my hair done professionally. Wiggins, you definitely ate with this wig. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.